Hey, this is Aaron Bircher. I just wanted to talk about a topic that comes up quite a bit. I have a lot of younger buyers and some move-up buyers, people that are considering moving to an acreage from in town or considering their first house in town. And it is a big consideration. There's a lot to think about there. Actually, an in-town house with a mortgage payment could be less expensive to live in than an acreage that somebody would own outright, just depending on how large it is and how much maintenance involved with it. But a lot of the things that you want to consider is the age of the septic, the age of the well, and even if they are newer, they still can have a fail rate. So you need to be prepared to service those, to deal with those. In the last few years, we've had some wells dry up on acreages unexpectedly, and there are old houses that had wells for years that dried up because we've been in a drought. So things of that nature, you can have a lot of expenses with maintenance, weed control, pest control. You need large lawn mowers instead of small push mowers. You might want a tractor or a snowplow to move the snow. You can end up with drifting. You probably need generators in case your power goes out. Even if you're only a few miles off a main highway, you can still get stuck on an acreage and be kind of stranded out there with no power for days. So there's a lot of things to consider when you're moving out to an acreage. I live on an acreage. It's very rewarding. I mean, there's a lot of benefits to it. Another consideration is zoning, fence maintenance, fence agreements with neighbors. Can you have livestock? Can you have animals? Just because there's a lot of acreage doesn't mean that you'll be allowed to have a lot of animals. So you want to check on all of that stuff and just make sure that you know what you're getting into, and we can help you figure that out.